हेलो स्टूडेंट, हमारे चैनल एजुकेशन वर्ल्ड वेब में आपका स्वागत है।
Hello student, today we are going to discuss new chapter polynomial. Let us understand their question. In this question we are going to understand the value of polynomial degree. So f into x is equal to x to the power 5 minus 2x to the power q plus x plus under root 3. So the coefficient of x is 1 to the power 5 minus the coefficient of x cube is 2. The coefficient of x is 1 and coefficient of under root 3 is also 1. So we know that the larger value of polynomial is always a degree. So the degree of polynomial is 5.
Polynomial degree. So f into g is equal to y cube plus under root 3 y. So the coefficient of y is 1 to the power 3 plus coefficient of y is under root 3. So the degree of polynomial is 5 over is t square minus 2 by 5t plus under root 5. So g into x is equal to t square minus 2 by 5 t plus under root 5. So the coefficient of t square is 1 square minus the coefficient of t is 2 by 5. The coefficient of under root 5 is 1. So the degree of polynomial is 2.